Good morning students, welcome to the St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn Standard 4 English Grammar. Lesson number 21, Conjunctions. In our previous video we have completed our exercise C and D. Today we are going to start with the exercise E. Fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions. You can see here students, we have one helping box with some conjunctions. We have to find correct conjunctions. We have to choose correct conjunction for each blanks, okay? So, first one, the blind man could not read dash right. So, which conjunction is suitable for this sentence? It's a or. So, the blind man could not read or write. Okay. Second one, the mango looks ripe dash tastes sour. So, which one is correct for this sentence? Which conjunction is correct? But. We have to use but here. But shows that things, and we use but to join that things and thoughts which are different or opposite. So you can see here students, the mangoes look ripe but taste sour. Okay, both sentences are opposite. Then third one, Anis washed his hands dash he started to eat. So which one we have to use in this sentence? We have to use before. Before. Anis washed his hands before he started to eat. Okay. So, before suggests that the second event happens soon after the first one. Fourth one, I ate eggs, toast, dash fruit for breakfast. So, which conjunction we have to use here? And means in addition to. I ate eggs, toast and fruit for breakfast. Fifth one, I cannot go to the theatre dash I have a ticket. So, which one we have to use? It's a unless. So, when we use unless is used for condition. So, you can see I cannot go to the theatre unless I have a ticket. Gabriel took off his coat dash it was very warm. So, which one we have to use? It's a because conjunction we have to use in this sentence. Gabriel took off his coat because it was very warm. So, because we use for reason, to show reason. Okay. Now, exercise F. Complete the sentence using the phrases given in the box. Then circle the conjunctions. So, we have some sentences into the box. You can see. We have to choose correct sentence for each sentence. Which should be the rest part of this sentence? You can see first one. She brushes her teeth. So, what will come? Which is the rest part of this sentence? You can see. Until the road was clear? No. So, as soon as she wakes up. So, what will come students? She brushes her teeth as soon as she wakes up. Okay. When we use as soon as conjunction we use to show that something happens immediately. Okay. Now, second one. The travelers waited. Which one is correct? The travelers waited until the road was cleared. First one is rest part of this sentence. The travelers waited until the road was cleared. Until is a conjunction in this sentence. The children in class do dash. So, the children in class do as they are told. Okay, as is a conjunction in this sentence. The football match will be cancelled. So, which should be the rest part? Rest part. The football match will be cancelled if it rains. Okay, if is a conjunction. Please sit quietly. So, so that I can finish my work. Mr. Mehra told me that he was going out. Okay, that is a conjunction. I will definitely play the game. Even if I don't win. Okay. Now last one. Rihanna continued stitching although she felt tired. Okay students. So with this our chapter lesson number 21 conjunction is completed. Okay. Thank you.